How to find wallpaper settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find wallpaper settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these three points in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find chats. Click on it and click wallpaper, and as you see here you can change your wallpaper, and you can change your wallpaper lightning here, and that's it. It's easy, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.